Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. We're back like we never did. Please don't fail to do the needful as expected, okay? Hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, share, comment, so when it is cooking definitely to be brought to your doorstep. Don't leave it there. Always tune in and stay to see this fresh picking like fresh boss, like fresh bread. Have you seen your fresh bread today? She needs them beautiful. See that leg. Anyway guys, please watch this video to the end because there's a lot in stock for you in it. Some amazing things you got to save, engage in it. Well guys, oh really, mshini, you can rock. Oh yeah, my rocking baby, rocky. Oh what, like guys, catch you next.
The time has come and we're calling all our creative geniuses, our creative chillers, to come up with a design for the can and the unique name of the picked flavor. So what you have to do to enter, you have to create the design and post it on your socials, tag us, and then you tell us about your creative process, what inspired that idea, right? And then after that, you could win a whopping 15,000 Rand cash prize. Yes, 15,000. You see, so come out, do the most, show us your talents. This is ours.
Sweetguluva, are you getting married? Let me show you items for Lobola. I got this Cambridge selling at a low price at 18,000 Rand. I know it's within your budget. It comes with a cooling gel system just in case things get heated up. Instead of buying a cow, you can buy a couch. It's the same leather. It's going for 35,000 Rand. I know Ashley's parents will love it.
Let's start. Why does the first question has to be all about the relationship? Okay, the first question, let's go. I don't mind answering these questions. The first question is, what a relationship do you share with Karabo se Jojo, better known as Jojo? The relationship that I share with Karabo se Jojo, we're colleagues, man. We're comfortable around each other. Yeah, that's it. There's no better answer. We're colleagues who are comfortable around each other. That's it. The second question, would you advise someone to go to Big Brother? I know he wanna go next year. I think for me, if it's something that speaks to you as an individual, if it's something that you believe or you see your better life in, then you can go for it, man. I mean,
so we're going to be having a seminar soon, but we are not sure of the city as yet. Why don't you comment your city and we'll see if we can make it happen. So guys, so far my trading journey has been, I can't say nothing short of amazing because obviously there are losses, but like besides the losses, there's so much wins. And I know you guys don't believe me, so I'm going to be funding a live trading stream soon. And then you guys can see that there is work being done.
Guys, I love in Jamaica. Are you entertained with those videos? Are you entertained? Alright guys, who do we have on the screen here? Sweet, looking fresh and dapper. Alright, this is Sipali Ntimbu. When I tell the story, like Melton Production, what is brain with him? I think he's partaking in a magazine, though, Atel magazine, or really, you really suited. Look how good looking you are, guys. This Sipali is handsome. Will I say he's one of the most handsome guy in their season, though? Cause you can't tell me that, though. Alright, watching that of Beekay, giving you guys some glimpse of what is about to take place. In the last point, we all know that he is ambassador of it. You can see you can download the template, link it to view, which you can work from both dots. Let this limit your creativity. Please note that we won't be accepting any AI generated design. Do you understand what he said? He said don't forget to use the hashtag, so we can see your design. It's just a competition, so whoever that achieved what he wants, you get what will be given to you. Alright, Honey Badger celebrating their baby boy. Big congratulations, Badger's boy. You can see you. If you want to tell me one of the guys that is doing well in their season, among aside Sweetguluva, Uyanda is trying to. He's coming up as well. Yeah, you can see at times he got lots of, just like after Ashley comes from Mshini. You can't tell me lie, right? I'm not lying. I'm not trying to, because these ones you can see it's just like Mshini and Uyanda is of the same breed. In as much as Uyanda got more huge fan base more than Mshini, but the way their level of engagement seems equal though. Anyway, the Bejas are celebrating, but guys, coming off seeing some engagement like this, I don't see more love. I assume and I perceive that the Bejas got a lot of fan base. But coming off seeing some things, the engagement is not always big as the way it used to. You know, it should be coming off like I was like, hey, this guy have fan base, but once something like this is happening, I don't see lots of engagement. Why the Bejas? Why are you guys? I thought you guys are big. Okay, so this one said my fave Uyanda Hagabizo is a collaboration with Bionic, an international brand that consists of products which are formulated for dry and itchy skin. I strongly recommend it to the people with sensitive skin. Uyanda and Bionic. Oh, come make some noise for Uyanda International. Like, if you guys want to make headlines, take your fave to the next world using the brand there, you know, influencing for you, use that international. For real, that's good to hear though. Uyanda will attend another music festival, and boy, and please keep prospering when a bit, as you are definitely born for prosperity on the 6th of September. Long, you guys are bringing this. Oh yeah, you guys are damn intentional. Just to remind other people that my faith is not just sleeping or dozing. He is doing lots. But guys, did you watch that video from TikTok by this person who was trying, like, Ashley, sweet Ashley, and making waves on the tail, using them as a form of art is something that people have been training on. You can see not furniture shop being shippers. Sweetguluva and Ashley are a different kind of BBM ship, for real. They even tag them in their caption, for real. Everybody is using them if they really want to excel, like they are big people as being tagged, because we tell them, you guys, you can see those of their goals who not like that is what they perceive, because when you have a big larger people out there, people will assume, oh, you know, these people will come in to patronize you. That is why they are using their name. Hope they are involved with this, because it's very bad using their name and not getting them involved. That's very bad at it. Okay, so if you're really using them, make sure they are aware of it, because this one makes sense. So you see the way the guy goes about it. Hey, you can see guys come this side. They were just laughing the way the guy, in fact, the ad was something else. What a whoa, this is for sweet Ashley, I must tell. So you guys go patronize this guy for using that name. But I hope Ashley parents will love it. Enough about sweet Ashley. Is this guy single, asking for a friend, or you because he happens to call your fave that you want to be with the guy? You guys are very big. Alright, you see the video of Ashley, right? Ever since then, he has been getting more of engagement. You can see I stand a business science graduate. My baby is doing so well in trending industry. Octa, we are up. Oh, really? Her man's clothes suits her so well. That is what you guys will get to see. One thing with Ashley ad, you guys will look for something to trend on. Zella, her teeth, her body, her hair, her clothes, everything. You guys shipper, so you do this one. What the heck? I think this is coming from a shipper. Are you a shipper, Timby? Anyways, thinking of faking sickness so that I can get a sick leave, then go straight to KZN for Sweet Ash wedding, please. Have they announced that to you guys? Why making it seem like there's still wedding coming? Oh, you people. Anyway, guys, he's happy to see that you guys really meant well for this too. You know, they're coming off doing things together. People love them together. Like, and guys, let's tell ourselves the truth. There is no Baz Rose again. More last time I checked out list, see what was his name again? Anonymous participants is no more. There is no more toxicity on this space again, because that's how you should be. You guys are now coming off knowing something, as much as you drag yourself later, but that is how, not that obviously some people will use some words, horrible words and all that, but coming off everything, the clue is being kissed. I'm not saying that anonymous participants anymore. I'm so happy. All right, guys, the hype of on Ashley has passed. This is Sweetguluva era. Buy your tickets. One Nation, the baddest MC is in town. 1K, come let's go. Yeah, this has been brought to your doorstep as always. You can see dual conflict 9 August Bone King or year whip ticket for just $250 500 VIPs, so Mrs. shade of pink. All right. Are you guys sad seeing all these things? Because your faith, you won't stand them in vain by doing. No church. You show working. Sweet Jesus, I just realized that we don't have any work related reels that have 1 million views on Instagram. Maybe we can choose one brand reel to focus on, so we can achieve this to start. Anyway, every week that comes by, faves will be doing all they got to do so their fans will be doing all they got to do so their fave come up as standing. Yes, like every week they will top the chart. You can see, keep on focusing on Sweetguluva, only Sweetguluva sitting pretty on the second, Ashley on the third. Like Sweetguluva is something Ashley that is on the fans we are celebrating. Sweeties, I love you all so much. See your work, continue replying with those tags. I'm so happy for them that they are trending, making waves often and on the TL, like being relevant ever since the show. How many months today now? Like last time Sweetguluva celebrated 3 months of winning, right? Yeah, like that. Oh, the month is coming to an end. Sweetguluva, way, like guys, I'm so happy seeing them topping, doing well. It's either you see the babe up there, the guys sitting pretty second, like that. The only people who matters in Africa, Sweetash, oh guys, putting the president of Nigeria there, does it make sense? Hey, South Africa, look at my Ahona again. Oh yeah, the SGs are jubilating. Yes, they are them jubilating for their faith, making it is far, always, often. Like last week, he came out the first, Ashley the second. So guys, it has been a way word of success all along. So somebody bought this. I remember vividly the conversation we had on this changed my life completely. Thank you, big bro. All right, this is what Melino posted. Melino and CG brother who really, that's amazing to see, for someone to change one life for good. It's worth it. I really appreciate. So guys, make some noise for Ashley, Sweetguluva, the sweet Ashley in it, because they are making waves to the extent people are using their name just to better their life. Did you see that? All right, guys, I think I will hang it this far. To see you in my next video. Keep your comments coming. Bye for now.